she be?
Well, look at what the catfish dragged in. Look at you. Look at you. There's something different. Don't tell me. I got it. It's your hairdo, right? You've been using the dinglehopper, right? No? No, huh? Well, let me see. New seashells? No new seashells. I gotta admit, I can't put my foot on it right now, but if I just stand here long enough, I know
She's
that I'll...
got legs, you idiot! She traded her vice to the sea witch and got legs. Jeez, man.
I knew that.
Ariel's been turned into a human. She's gotta make the prince fall in love with her, and he's gotta kiss her.
And she's only got 3 days. Just look at her. On legs. On human legs. My nerves are shot. This is a catastrophe.
You look sensational.